Hey guys, how's it going? If you want to add games to your wish list, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. So before you start, just make sure to like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna just go ahead and select this game, let's say the PUBG, right? And what we're gonna do, we're gonna just wait until that game is open. And if we like that game and we wanted to add it to our wish list, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and click right here, add to wish list. And now as you can see, you added the game to your wish list. And if you want to access the wish list to see your games, go ahead and click the wish list at the top right here, and you're gonna be able to access the games that you added on wish list. So let me know in the comments of this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.